How to change location name on Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. The Find My app is a powerful tool that helps locate lost or misplaced Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, and AirPods, AirTags, and even allows users to share their location with friends and family. It combines the functionality of the former Find My iPhone and Find My Friends apps into one integrated experience. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. You can view your location information over here. Now, tap on Location. You can edit the location name from here. Select any name that you want. For example, Jim. As you can see, you have now successfully changed your location name to Jim. Following these steps, you can easily change location name on Find My iPhone.